This is the Tefal Home Chef Multicooker. We can use it to stew beef or even use it like a pressure cooker. On top, there is this button for us to release pressure when we are using it as a pressure cooker mode. We've been using this for more than half a year already. Look at all these modes that we can use to cook so many different dishes. The most common one that we use to cook is the porridge and beef stew and soup. And have a look at this. These are the top 4 status menu. So when we are the light goes from the first light all the way to the last one when we are cooking. So normally it heats up, and then pressure up means when we are using it as a pressure cooker mode, it builds up the pressure. So this light tells us that the pressure is building up and the pressure is maintained and the pressure is being released. So if the pressure is still on, we can press the button on top to release the pressure. So pressure cooker is very good to retain the nutrition of the meat when we are cooking. So let's have a look inside. Because this is a pressure cooker, there is a pressure release valve, and the seal, this rubber seal that we have got here, is very easy to remove and clean. Normally, we remove this seal, clean the seal, and just wipe it down, and pretty much that's it. And then inside the pot, so there is this non-stick pot, and we've been using this for half a year already, and just look at it, it's still looks like brand new. So this is the heating element, and we place the pot in like so. So because this is a pressure cooker, there is only one way to close it. There is a built-in catch or groove, if you like, that we need to sit over here, and just need to sit it and turn it. So there is even this indicator over here telling us how to open, lock and unlock. So we sit it like so and turn it. Let me show you again. So we have to turn it, lift it up. So yeah, we've been using this cooker for more than half a year already. We love the convenience of it. Just throw everything in there, set it to cook, and by the time we come home at night, we have a nice stew beef dinner waiting for us. And just look at how tender the meat is.